Hello again, people. This is MJ. Long time since I've posted a video, but this is a new video. It's a snowblower video right now, and this is a little gadget that I designed here for the auger section. So when your snowblower tension belt on the auger begins to get really loose, it doesn't throw the snow. So I've designed this. It fits onto Kumshi engines. I got it bent at the. I bent it, and for those who can't bend it, best to do is go to a machine shop. And as you can see, this is the angle of it, and it has the 3 holes there and 2 holes there. This section here, this section right here, fits onto the Kumshi engine. Now I'm going to saw this off right back here, that piece off, so it's going to be, when it's finished, it's supposed to be this size. It's just a 10 plate that I made up to make the original. So what's going to happen is, after I finish making up this piece here and attaching it to the snowblower, then I'll show you exactly what it does. This is the piece here that I have cut, and I cut the end off. So this piece here, I have, it has 2 holes here. This one here screws onto the engine, and this one here has, I threaded a nut here into this, because there are 2 holes there. So this one here, come on, screw in there, you. Right, screws into that hole there. And the axis, this one here is to keep this in place from moving. This other hole here, that piece, that screws it onto the engine. And this is where, as you can see, I'm having a little difficulty here finding stuff, but this usually happens when you're filming. So this pulley goes on there. Goes on there. Reason for the whole 3 holes, you can go either there, depending on how much tension you want on the pulley, right? And then this goes on. This has 3 adjustments. Depending on how much tension you want to have on the pulley. So pulley goes under. Now what this pulley is going to do, so the snowblower right here, and it goes on right here, like that. So it puts a tension on the belt because the belt, right out that, the belt is really loose there right now. So you'll put that on there, and it creates a bit more tension on the belt, so the belt doesn't have anywhere to go then onto the pulley. And when you engage the auger, tension. You have tension all the time there. Right? See how it works out there? Like just like that. And at least your belt shall last a lot longer, because you'll still have a lot of tension on the auger, on the drive, right? And you see, as you can see without that there, how loose that is. So if the pulley, it stays right there. You can't move away. One chair over and out. Here's the snowblower. And I have the piece on there, but I'll take it off for before and after, so hold that there. Let me take that piece off. Got something easy for it.
Decent action now. It's sexy, right? And their modification.